I need to change trailer here. Disconnect trailer and now I'm taking other trailer. Pushing red button, it brakes, and we can go. How usually in Germany very difficult to find a place for night. I'm staying so. I find the last place. It's really difficult in Germany. If I want sleeping safety, I need stop at the doors. I wake up at 6 o'clock and starting new day. Today I'm going to Poland, nearest border with Germany. I need to unload this trailer. What I need to after unloading, I don't know. lot of windmills in Germany. Really amazing. This is windmills look so great. Just you see. This is windmills so a lot here. I don't know how much, but really a lot. Now I need filling 60 liters of diesel. Why I refueled 5 liters? Because in Germany expensive fuel. When I arrive in Poland, I fill in full tanks.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same.
See you soon. Subscribe, leave comments below. Continue working.